Welcome to the forest where adventure awaits at every moment. I can't wait to explore the wild and encounter all its amazing things. Because that would be so much fun. Let's begin. Hello, towering trees. I am the lion, king of this jungle, and I greet you with reverence and respect. Because you give us oxygen, and you are the main part of the forest. Hello, bubbling brook. I am the lion, king of this jungle, and I am grateful for the life you bring to this land. Because you are the one who provides the necessary water for this forest itself. With that, you are the one who provides the animals with water. Hello, colorful flowers. I am the lion, king of this jungle, and I admire your beauty and grace. Hello, buzzing bees. I am the lion, king of this jungle, and I appreciate the work you do to pollinate and nourish our ecosystem. Hello, playful butterflies. I am the lion king of this jungle, and I admire your delicate wings and colorful soul. Hello, majestic mountains. I am the lion king of this jungle, and I bow to your towering presence and enduring strength. Because of you, the climate changes and the animals get habitats. Hello, twinkling stars. I am the lion, king of this jungle, and I am humbled by your timeless beauty and eternal watchfulness. You yourself guide those who are in the forest at night. For I am the lion, king of this jungle, and I am honored to call this magnificent wilderness my home. So if this survives, we all survive. So you too have the honor and right to save the forest trees that give life to all who watch this. Make preserving this your first pleasure. Helping us animals is the greatest love.